welcome to Deya Masterpieces series. Thank you for joining us today. And today we have a special guest with us, our dear mentor, Rija Pillai ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today. How are you doing today, ma'am?
I'm very well, Preeti. Thank you so much for asking. How are you?
I'm great, ma'am. Thank you so much. Can you walk us through your career journey?
Absolutely. So I think I've got a very varied amount of work that I can talk about. I started my journey as a fashion designer. I worked as a merchandiser in first a few factories and then with one designer. That's what led to my journey from Delhi to Bangalore, where I joined as a merchandiser in one of the companies. After that, I went into the BPO sector. That was something very new 20 years back. And GE Capital is where I started from in Gurgaon, Delhi. From there, my journey started. Of course, my first work was a process associate. From there, my journey in quality started. I think I've spent about 10 years in a BPO industry in various companies like Emphasis, iSeva, Concentrix. I have worked as in the field of quality. So I have worked in the section of it. I have worked in the quality section, vendor management. So most of my career, if I include everything, about 18 years, I have worked in the BPO industry, ITES, and also currently I just work for Amazon, the retail industry. And each one of them has been amazing learning experiences. So that's my journey of the past 18 years that I have spent in the industry.
What inspired you to become a mentor with Deya?
I'll tell you, to be very honest, after I joined Amazon and till there, I have been doing a lot of people roles. I had done a lot of learning coaching sessions. I was one of the leading participants in coach the coach section that Concentrix was doing. I was one of the leading mentors, and I was doing a lot of learning, imparting a lot of knowledge to our new leaders who have to know why feedback is important, why coaching is important. So I think I did a lot, and I spent my maximum tenure with Concentrix about 10 years. I loved that part of my job because I saw how much difference it makes when a person knows where am I lagging. If I can just this is my feedback. If I know what I'm good at, what are my strengths, then what do I need to push with my strength. I think that is what connected when one of the persons from Dhaya had called me, and while he was talking to me, he talked to me how we concentrated Dhaya about the strengths in our children. And I have a daughter myself. She is 12 years old, and it totally connected to me because I had a lot of concerns about how our education system is and how a lot of our parents like me are lost to understand how we need to push our children towards the right direction. All
Absolutely.
this came together, and I think a lot of things connected to me, and I told myself, I think this is a right place, this is the right place to put in my experience. And it also gives me an opportunity to connect with parents and to talk to them, because that's one of the I think fortes I have is my connection with what people would want, for their
Mhm.
children, for themselves. So I thought, I really wanted to give it a shot and wanted to see if I can help somebody, help myself during this way, because I myself have a daughter. So I think that's what led me to join Dhea.
Do you have any memorable moment you had with Deya?
Absolutely. I have a few from the initial training sessions that I had with Mr. Sameer Apte sir. He had a excellent way of teaching, knowing that we are all professionals. We probably have come from our own experiences, but how he rendered the knowledge of what Dhya believes in, how we are going to look into every aspect of a child, what's important, what do we speak about, how do we speak about it. All those things have been very memorable for me because we all were able to understand why it's so important to reach out to people, and why this entire concept, what we have put forward in there, is very important. And of course, I think the most memorable part was where he every time used to just pick out and say, I know you are a risk taker. I know you are very patient and calm. I can see it in your in your graph. I can see it in your report. He was so connected with us for those 2 3 days that he took our training, and I think that was very memorable to know that how connected and how much he knew about us before he taught us. I think I take that back with me even today.
What message you want to convey to those parents or our viewers to build their career better?
I would really ask every parent to at least consider this, at least read about what we are doing at Thea. We have a lot of testimonies and interviews that are up on our website. I would urge them to at least, see some of them. And you will realize it is not too much time and effort that's been put, but you are going to have a very important aspect of your child taken care of. Currently, I think parents are very intelligent. I mean, compared to our previous century parents, my parents, we did not have so many options. They did not know what all we can explore. Currently, we are
Right.
coming from that generation where we were frustrated. We wanted to have more options, so we now know there are so much there for our children. I would urge every parent to try this concept, because this is going to really I can tell you from my own experience that you will never have your child unhappy. Your child will go to something, a job that he loves, or he or she loves, he or she will want to earn in that, and they will be happy in the end. One day they will not get up and say, I
Absolutely.
want to quit. So I think this is a very good concept, and this is what I would like everybody to try and to see how this can help your child. And as they read about it, they will understand it's very helpful.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking your precious time out to talking to us. And I and from the here we really expect great things from you.